Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace and install these compatible ink cartridges in these compatible printers. Let's get started. First, we need to remove the old ink cartridges. Here's the trick. When you open the tray, the ink cartridges should slide over to the middle so you can change them. But if they don't, turn off the printer. While the printer is shutting down and the cartridges are moving, unplug the printer quickly. It's a bit of a timing game, but you'll get the hang of it. Now that the cartridges are in reach, we can take out the old ones. Just press down gently and pull them out. Before we install the new cartridge, make sure to remove any protective tape or stickers from it. Be sure not to touch the gold contact points on the new cartridges, as this might damage the communication between the cartridge and your printer. This printer uses two cartridges. From left to right, the cartridges are color, then black. Slide the new cartridge into the slot until it clicks into place. It's really simple. Just make sure it's seated properly. Now, plug the printer back in and turn it on. This will allow the printer to recognize the new cartridge. And there you have it. Your new ink cartridge is installed and you're ready to print. Just to recap, remove the old cartridge, insert the new one, and make sure to plug your printer back in. Easy, right? Thanks and happy printing!